Okay, we're going to find here's what we're going to do. Given this parallel circuit, this is parallel, we know that because if I start at the positive side of the battery and travel around, when I get to point A and just beyond it, then I have a choice. I can go through the 3 ohm, the 6 ohm, or the 9 ohm to get through to point B. So the first thing we're going to do is write down the resistances, and we're going to go from small to large. So this is 3 ohms. Then we have 6 ohms. Then we have 9 ohms. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to find the equivalent resistance. And I do that with the equation 1 over Req equals 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 9. And I can put that right in my calculator, 1 divided by 3 without parentheses, plus 1 divided by 6, plus 1 divided by 9. The answer I get is 0.611. That is not the answer. That's 1 over the answer. I hit x to the negative 1, press enter, and I get Req equal to 1.64 ohms. And the answer when you're doing parallel, the Req will always be smaller than the smallest. 1.64 is smaller than 3. So then I can find current, the total current. We'll call this the total current, which equals V over Req. And volts is 18 volts over 1.64 ohms. So 18 divided by 1.64 is 11. So we have a total current of 11 amps. Now in parallel, the potential difference, the voltage is always the same across each one. So that means all of these have 18 volts, 18 volts, and 18 volts. This 11 amps, which would be right here, divides up, and most of it's going to go through 3, some through 6, and then a little bit through 9. How? Well, I use the equation V equals IR, or I equals V over R. This is not total I, this is I based on each individual resistor. For example, 18 volts divided by 3 ohms would equal 6 amps. So we know this one has 6 amps. Then 18 divided by 6 would be 3 amps. And then 18 divided by 9 would be 2 amps. Now this is interesting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Add these together and you get the original total current. And that makes sense, right? I would go through each of these when it comes out the other side. I would have 11 amps. So that's how you do a simple parallel circuit.